day class. How are you today? Class, this occasion, I'm going to meet with you the first grade of senior high school, kelas 10 MIA dan IS, ya. Okay, the first topic of our discussion is about pronoun. I believe that you have ever heard about pronoun, ya. Pasti udah pernah dengar ya, nak, what is pronoun? Okay, let's say. Pronouns are the words that take the place of nouns such as I, you, me, it, they, we, she, him, us. Pronouns are frequently used to prevent unimportant repetition. Okay, the example. Andy is a smart boy. This is the sentence. The subject is Andy, and then is the to be. A smart boy is noun phrase. Now we are going to make the different sentence, but still with the same subject. Masih Andy ya, subjeknya masih Andy. Andy likes to study math. Nah, ini kalimatnya salah. Why? Kenapa salah kalimatnya? Nah, karena Andy sudah disebutkan di kalimat sebelumnya. Now we are going to change Andy into he. Nah, ini baru benar. He likes to study math. Perulangan, supaya jangan ada perulangan Andy di subjek kalimat selanjutnya ya. He likes to study math. And then I met Andy last week. We change into I met him last week. Karena posisi Andy in this sentence is as object. So we change Andy into him. Andy lives with Andy's mother in Lubuk Pakam. This is wrong. Karena perulangan lagi subjeknya si Andy. And Andy's mother, ibunya si Andy, we change into possessive adjective menjadi his mother. He lives with his mother in Lubuk Pakam. Okay, let's see. Pronouns and possessive verb. Subject pronoun ada I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Sedangkan in the object pronoun ada me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Oke, ini posisinya sebagai objek ya. For example, I love you. I is a subject, love is verb, and you is object. Nah, kita gunakan di sini you-nya adalah objek, nah, bukan subjek. Kalau subjek itu di awal kalimat sebagai pelaku pekerjaan, pelaku kegiatan. Misalnya, you drink a cup of coffee, maka you di situ adalah sebagai subjek. Beda posisi dengan kalimat sebelumnya. Oke, di objek pronounnya tadi sudah, and then possessive adjective. Untuk possessive adjective, nah, dia harus diikuti oleh kata benda. Ya, misalnya ada kata my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Ini semua harus diikuti oleh kata benda. Kata bendanya itu dia kata benda yang bisa plural maupun singular. For example, my book, your paper, his pen, her table, its food, our bag, your house, their school, dan lain sebagainya. Sedangkan possessive pronoun menyatakan kepemilikan, tapi kata bendanya tidak diikuti oleh kata benda, karena di kalimat sebelumnya sudah jelas apa yang dimaksud dengan punya saya, punya kamu, punya dia lelaki, punya dia perempuan, punya kita, punya mereka. Oke, untuk punya kalian. Oke. Let's see. Oke, subject pronoun ada kata I. Look at the example. I work in Portland. Subject is I. You like listening to music. The subject is you. He lives in Seattle. The subject is he. She went on vacation last week. Where is the subject? The subject is she. It seems hot today. Where is the subject? The subject is it. We enjoy playing. The subject is we. And the object pronoun me. For example, she gave me the book. She gave me the book. Me in this sentence is as object. Kita nggak bilang nah she gave I the book, karena I posisinya adalah sebagai subject. So we need to make it into me. You, Peter bought you a present. Peter membelikanmu sebuah hadiah. You di sini posisinya sebagai objek. She told him the secret. Dia memberitahukannya rahasia. She told him. Him di sini posisinya is object. I asked her to come with me. Where is the object? Her. Jack gave it food. Where is this object? It. The teacher told us. The teacher told us. Where is the object? Us. Posisinya setelah subjek, predikat, atau kata kerja, atau to be, kemudian itu pasti objek. I love him. I is as subject, ya, I is as subject, and then love is the verb, him is the object. She hates me. She as the subject, hates is the verb, and me is the object. Posisinya harus itu ya nak. You don't say I love he. No, it is wrong. I love him. Okay. Okay. This is the explanation about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. For possessive adjective, they must be followed by noun. Okay, look at the possessive adjective. Ada kata my, your, his, her, its, our, theirs, and your. Okay, possessive adjective must be preceded by noun. Harus diikuti oleh kata benda. Look at example. My mask. Nah, setelah my diikuti oleh kata benda. My mask. Your mobile phone. His water bottle. Her desk. Its food. Our house, dan lain sebagainya. Okay, look at the example. That is my house. Your subject is English. Subject is noun. House is noun. His wife is from Italy. Wife is noun. Her name is Krista. Name is noun. Its color is black. Color is noun. Our car is very expensive. Car is noun. Semua diikuti oleh kata benda. And then possessive pronoun. For possessive pronoun dia tidak diikuti oleh kata benda, tetapi kata bendanya itu sudah terlebih dahulu ada di kalimat atau di kata-kata sebelum possessive pronoun ini. Ada kata mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, and yours. Okay, look at the example. That car is mine. Mobil itu punya saya. Nah, mine itu setelah mine tidak ikuti kata benda, berbeda tadi dengan kata my. My mobile phone. That mobile phone is mine. That book is yours. Buku itu punya kamu. The dog over there is his. Anjing yang sebelah sana adalah punyanya. That house is hers. Rumah itu punyanya. Beda dengan it's her house. Nah, beda ya. Her house. That house is hers. Berbeda. And then our. That poster is ours. Nah, semua ini berbeda, perbedaannya ini possessive adjective dan possessive pronoun letaknya hanya di possessive adjective, dia diikuti oleh kata benda, sedangkan possessive pronoun dia kata bendanya sudah terlebih dahulu sebelum possessive pronounnya. Oke, look at the example. This is my mobile phone. This mobile phone is mine. Saya? Okay, and then this is your mask. Okay, this is your mask, and then this mask is yours. Itu bedanya. This is her water bottle. Okay, this is her water bottle. Her di situ adalah possessive adjective followed by water bottle, kata benda. Kemudian this water bottle is hers. Botol minum ini punyanya. Yeah, that is the difference. Okay. That's all for the explanation about pronoun, subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. You can find another resources from another video, another topic, yeah, another PowerPoint, and many things you can find. If you have any question, feel free to contact me in my WA number and also in Microsoft Teams. Okay, see you guys. I hope you enjoy the learning today. Bye bye.